You know, it's fascinating how the world of cryptocurrencies has transformed the landscape of wealth creation. Just think about it for a moment. Not too long ago, the idea of digital money was something that seemed almost like science fiction. And yet, here we are, with stories of everyday people becoming millionaires overnight, all thanks to the wild ride of cryptocurrencies. But what really drives this phenomenon? Let's break it down. First off, let's talk about early adoption. Imagine being one of those individuals who took a leap of faith and invested in Bitcoin or Ethereum when they were just a blip on the radar. Back then, it was a gamble, a risk that few were willing to take. But for those who did, they bought in at prices that now seem laughably low. We're talking about pennies on the dollar. As these currencies gained traction, their values skyrocketed, turning those early investments into fortunes. It's like finding a hidden treasure chest that no one else knew existed. The thrill of being ahead of the curve, of seeing your investment multiply beyond your wildest dreams, is intoxicating. And it's not just about luck. It's about having the vision to see potential where others saw nothing. Then there's the market volatility. The roller coaster ride that is cryptocurrency trading. Prices can swing dramatically in a matter of hours, creating this exhilarating environment for traders. It's a double-edged sword, though. Sure, you can buy low and sell high, making substantial profits in a blink, but you can also lose it all just as quickly. It's a high-stakes game, and for those who thrive on adrenaline, it's a dream come true. The thrill of watching charts, analyzing trends, and making split-second decisions is a rush that many find addictive. But let's be real, it's not for the faint of heart. It takes guts, strategy, and a good dose of intuition to navigate these waters. Now, let's dive into the technological advancements that underpin this whole ecosystem. Blockchain technology is like the backbone of cryptocurrencies, a decentralized ledger that records every transaction. It's not just about digital currency. It's about the potential for smart contracts, decentralized finance, and a whole new way of doing business. This technology promises transparency and security, which is a game changer in a world where trust is often in short supply. Investors see this potential and flock to cryptocurrencies, driving up demand and, consequently, prices. It's like being part of a technological revolution where the possibilities seem endless. Speaking of scarcity, let's not overlook the supply limits of many cryptocurrencies. Take Bitcoin, for instance. There will only ever be 21 million coins in existence. As more people become interested and the demand increases, the price tends to rise. It's basic economics. When something is scarce and desirable, its value goes up. This concept of scarcity creates a sense of urgency among investors. They want to get in before it's too late, before the price goes beyond their reach. It's a psychological play that fuels the frenzy, and it's fascinating to watch how it unfolds. And then there's the role of speculation and hype. You can't ignore the impact of media coverage, social media buzz, and endorsements from influential figures. One tweet from a celebrity or a viral post can send prices soaring. It's like a snowball effect. The more people talk about it, the more people want to get involved. It creates this buzz, this excitement that can lead to rapid price spikes. But let's face it, this can also lead to irrational behavior. People jump in without fully understanding what they're investing in, driven by fear of missing out. It's a wild ride, and while it can lead to incredible gains, it can also leave a lot of people in the dust. Now, let's take a moment to understand how all of this actually works. Cryptocurrencies operate on blockchain technology, a decentralized network that records transactions across countless computers. This means that no single entity controls the currency, making it resistant to manipulation. It's a refreshing change from traditional currencies, which are often subject to the whims of central banks and governments. For those looking to dive into this world, it's essential to understand wallets and keys. Every cryptocurrency user has a digital wallet, which can be software-based or hardware. This wallet holds your cryptocurrencies and comes with a public key for receiving funds and a private key for authorizing transactions. Losing your private key can mean losing access to your funds forever. It's a sobering thought, but it emphasizes the importance of security in this space. And let's not forget about exchanges. These platforms are where the magic happens, where you buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. They facilitate the conversion between fiat currencies and cryptocurrencies, making it accessible for anyone willing to take the plunge. But as with any market, it's crucial to do your homework. Not all exchanges are created equal, and security should always be a top priority. So, what does all this mean for the average person? It means that there's an opportunity like never before to engage with a new form of wealth creation. But it also comes with risks. Understanding the dynamics of this market, being aware of the volatility, and recognizing the potential for both gains and losses is vital. It's a brave new world out there, and for those willing to navigate it with knowledge and caution, the rewards can be life-changing. Whether you're an early adopter, a savvy trader, or just someone curious about the future of money, the world of cryptocurrencies is one that's worth exploring. The journey may be unpredictable, but it's undeniably exciting.